Hello everyone, I am Dr. Asmita Joshi and today I will be talking about the evolution of the famous Toyota production system. Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Toyota Aichi, Japan. It is the world's largest automotive manufacturer by production volume. With a market capitalization greater than the value of the big three, that is General Motors, Chrysler and Ford combined, Toyota is also the world's most profitable automaker. Though other leading automakers excel in advanced engineering techniques, engine technology and styling, they do not match Toyota in efficiency, productivity and quality. According to the analysts, Toyota's success in both the local and global markets is mainly because of its state-of-the-art and well-planned operational strategies. Today, businesses around the world are attempting to implement Toyota system for speeding processes, reducing waste and improving the quality. Toyota's phenomenal success is a business story known all around the world. So how does Toyota continue to be successful through good times and the bad? Information about the Toyota production system has been widely available for the past 40 years. But no other company has been able to duplicate Toyota's results. Toyota's well-known secret weapon is the lean production, the revolutionary approach to business processes that it invented in the 1950s and has spent decades perfecting. Less well-known are the management principles that underlie the Toyota working. The four management principles are philosophy, process, people and problem solving. Philosophy focuses on long-term thinking, processes focused on eliminating waste, people focuses on respect and problem solving focuses on continuous improvement. Today, businesses around the world are attempting to implement the Toyota system for speeding process, reducing waste and improving their quality. Mere implementation of the tools will not give the desired results. You need the culture. It comes from the deeper business philosophy based on understanding the people and human motivation. The focus here is more on talent, attitude and teamwork than the tools and techniques. Now let us look at the evolution of the Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota's history goes back to 1897 when Sakichi Toyoda diversified into the handloom machinery business from his family's traditional business of carpentry. He founded Toyota Automatic Loom Works in 1926 for manufacturing automatic looms. Sakichi Toyoda started working on his own to develop the power loom. This approach of learning and doing yourself became the integral part of TPS called Genchi Genbutsu. He invented a loom that stopped automatically when any of the threads snapped. This concept of designing equipment to stop so that defects could be fixed immediately formed the basis of the Toyota production system that went on to become a major factor in the company's success called Jidoga. The mistake-proof loom became Toyota's most popular model, and in 1929 his son Kichiro established an automotive department within the Toyota Automatic Loom Works. Kichiro also negotiated the sale of patent rights to Platt Brothers of England for £100,000. Kichiro convinced Sakichi to enter into the automobile business and the first car prototype was developed in 1935. The funds obtained by the sale of the patent were used to establish the Toyota Motor Company in 1937 by Kichiro Toyoda. Not much later, the Second World War started. The situation worsened. Many workers were asked to retire voluntarily, and then it led to work stoppages and the condition deteriorated. In the early 1950s, Toyota small size vehicles were sold under the name of Toyopet. Toyota eventually entered the American market in 1957 with the Toyopet Crown. The oil crisis of 1973 drove the customers towards fuel-efficient and compact cars like Toyota. In 1982, the Toyota Motor Company and Toyota Motor sales merged into one company, the Toyota Motor Corporation. 2 years later, Toyota entered into a joint venture with General Motors called the New United Motor Manufacturing Incorporation, that is the NUMI. In the 1990s, Toyota began to branch out from producing mostly compact cars by adding many larger and more luxurious vehicles to its lineup. In 1997, it launched Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. The year 1999 saw Toyota's domestic production exceed 100 million vehicles, and in the year 2012, the cumulative worldwide production exceeded 200 million vehicles. There always is a question that if the family name is Toyota, why is the company named Toyota? The answer can be seen in the number of strokes used to write the two words. Toyota was preferred because it took 8 brush strokes to write in the Japanese language and was visually simpler. The 8-stroke count in Japanese is associated with wealth and good fortune. Also, since the family name Toyoda literally means fertile rice paddies, changing the name also prevented the company from being associated with old-fashioned farming. The newly formed word Toyota was trademarked, and the company was registered in August 1937 as the Toyota Motor Company. The first logo for Toyota came about as a result of a public competition. The company went with the results of the competition and chose a blue and red diamond-shaped emblem as the company's very first logo. This logo served the company until 1989, when Toyota unveiled a new logo to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the company. There are 3 ovals in the new logo that are combined in a horizontally symmetrical configuration. The 2 perpendicular ovals inside the larger oval represent the heart of the customer and the heart of the company. They are overlapped to represent a mutually beneficial relationship and trust between each other. The overlapping of the 2 perpendicular ovals inside the outer oval symbolize T for Toyota, as well as the steering wheel represents the vehicle itself. The outer oval symbolizes the world that embraces Toyota. At its core, the Toyota's logo represents a stylized image of the eye of the needle with a thread passing through it. This is a hint at the company's past, when they used to produce weaving machines. The symbol refers to each letter from Toyota's name, and some of the letter shapes have its own meaning as well. So this makes Toyota's logo one multi-layered sign that can offer a lot of meanings to the curious eye. The success of the Toyota Motor Corporation is based on its strong foundation given by its principles and its code of conduct. The 5 main principles of Toyota are a written statement of the teaching of Sakichi Toyoda. They were first released on October 30, 1935. Since then, they have been handed down to every Toyota Group company and serve as conduct guidelines for all employees. The fundamental spirit of these principles constitute the basis on which Toyota Group functions even today. Toyota has continuously strived to contribute to the sustainable development of the society through the manufacturing and provision of high quality and innovative products and services. Through these continuous efforts, they have established a corporate philosophy that has been passed down from generation to generation throughout the company and which has been come to know as the guiding principles of Toyota. These were originally given in 1992 and later revised in 1997. The Toyota Way, which was given in the year 2001, clarifies the values and business methods that all employees should embrace in order to carry out the guiding principles at Toyota throughout the company's global activities. The Toyota Way is supported by 2 main pillars: continuous improvement and respect for people. Toyota Motor Corporation President Akio Toyoda, Sakichi's great grandson, explained the link between the Toyota precepts and the new global vision in March 2011. The image of a tree has been used to symbolize Toyota vision from roots to fruits. The Toyota precepts, the Toyota way and guiding principles are represented as the roots. These roots support the trunk of the tree, which signifies the strength and stability of its operations. From the trunk, the branches lead to the 12 tenets that make up the Toyota vision, which are nothing but the fruits of the tree. The tree allows all of this imagery to be connected together, a metaphor for how closely people at Toyota work together to achieve its success. So now we have seen the evolution of Toyota Motor Corporation. But after hearing all this, you must be wondering what exactly is the Toyota production system, and that is the topic of my next video. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, share, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.